volatile state. So let's see how the street actually absorbs that. But Kunal is here in the studios. Kunal, hi, morning. Failed attempt now, it seems, by the broader markets. They couldn't quite sustain that kind of momentum that they were seeing the last 2 days. What would you make of the market structure right now?
Yeah, the first 15-20 minutes, half an hour was different than the market close. I think we've been accustomed to this kind of a texture for the markets. But it was good to see that the Nifty still managed to just about hold on by the skin of the teeth at that 25,750 levels on the spot basis. That I believe is a strong support for the Nifty over the near term. This also coincides with the 50 DMA for the Nifty on the spot levels. We've not seen any major change in terms of the open interest as well as the skew and the bent in terms of the FII short positions on the index futures. So that generally indicates that we are going through a phase of heightened volatility, but no major change in terms of the trend. And I think with the GIFT Nifty showing a bounce of almost 90 to 100 points, even if we settle back into this 25,850 range, we are back again into that grind of 250 points on the Nifty, where 25,750 should act as a support over the near term and 26,000 as a resistance. So very difficult to call out a trend over here for the indices because we are grinding into this 250 point range in a very volatile manner. But only break off either of these two bands, either on the downside 25,750, on the upside of 26,000 mark is where we can call out a trend for the index.
Kunal, any stock strategies though that you may have?
Yeah, so focusing on large cap names because that's where I would believe that you would probably have the first set of cushion from the market perspective. Reliance, something which we suggested a couple of days back also, has been looking quite strong. Yesterday the stock closed almost at 1535-36 mark. So would look out for a buy on Reliance Industries, maintain the targets of 1580. Stop loss could be kept at 1510. Adani Ports is something which is now coming back into a breakout mode. That stock has bounced back into from its short-term moving averages. That's where I would believe that we can probably expect some bit of momentum to come by. The stock is also trading closer to its 2024 high. So that also indicates that it's one of the strongest stocks which has recovered quite well from the larger cap space. So would look out for the targets of 1540 for Adani Ports, and stop loss could be kept at 1475.